To transfer Solana from Revolut to Phantom, start by opening the Revolut tab and clicking on the Crypto tab at the bottom of the screen. If this option is not visible, click on the hub and scroll down to the Bell section, where you will find the Crypto option. Use the search bar to select the specific currency you want to transfer. In this case, Solana. Once selected, click on the Send button and then click on the New button at the top right corner, selecting Crypto Wallet and clicking on it. Next, open your Phantom wallet. Click on Receive and copy the wallet address. Go back to the Revolut tab and paste the wallet address in the designated area, ensuring that you have selected the same network as in your Phantom wallet. You may also want to name this wallet as Phantom for convenience. After entering the required details, a verification code will be sent to your registered mobile number, which you must enter to proceed. Before completing the transfer, a warning will appear, advising you to send a small test amount first to ensure the address is correct. Click on Continue and enter the amount you want to transfer. The system will then provide a summary of your transfer, including the wallet address, network, and amount. Verify that these details are correct and click on Send to initiate the transfer. Once completed, your Solana will be successfully transferred from Revolut to your Phantom wallet.